Okay guys, on 21st of February 2023, now we have our plant of echeveria elegans, or it is also called as Mexican jam or Mexican snowball, or one more name is also their common name, that is Mexican hens and chicks. Okay, now we will try to propagate it from the leaf cuttings, and for it we have to take some of the leaves. Okay, so how you can take leaves properly? First of all, you must know that a leaf must be plucked off with cleanliness. Okay, why it is so? Because if the leaf is not properly plucked, and if some part of the leaf goes with that of stem, the leaf is not going to propagate, because the part which is being attached with the stem, it contains certain types of cells that are called as the stem cells, and these cells helps to produce new baby plants. So you should have to take care of the part which is intact with the stem. Okay, and if some part of the stem is during plugging, if some part of the stem has come out with this leaf, it is okay, it is totally normal. Okay, and if the leaf is wounded from on the outer edge, it is not a problem, but it must be okay on the inner side, okay, which is connected with the stem. Okay, now again you can see how I used to take it out with cleanliness. Okay, now this is one more leaf. Now we will take some more leaves, because leaf propagation is the only way which can give us a bulk quantity of plants. Okay, because there can be about like 50 leaves on a single plant, so we can produce around 50 new baby plants. Okay, and usually the success rate is above 95%. Okay, they are very easy to propagate. Okay, now we are plucking leaves one by one. Now I am taking these leaves out, and some succulents have leaves which are very difficult to take out, like echeveria lola or echeveria derenbergi. Okay, but this one is very easy. Sedum adolphi and echeveria elegans, these are very easy to take out the leaves. Okay, now I can, like, now you can see all of these leaves. I will keep them in shade for further progress, but now you must know that okay, results on 19th of March 2023, after more than 1 month. Okay, or okay, now I have placed the macro lens on the cell phone so you can see properly the babies. Okay, and these are the same leaves which we have placed in shade. Okay, okay, now you can see one more baby plant but without any sort of roots. So now one more plant must be there. This one, you can see a very little baby. Okay, because temperature is a little bit cold, so that is why we do not used to get a lot of progress, but still it is okay. Now you can see that there are very good root production, but baby plant is very small. You can see on the top side. Okay, on the top side of the leaf you can see that there is a baby plant. Now this one is the next one, and it also has no roots at all. One more result, and you can see that babies are protruding out from both sides, from all sides, and there are roots as well. So we have to plant it in the media very carefully. One more result, a very little root, but the baby plant is very much big. Okay. Okay, now again one more result. So you can see that on both sides of the leaf, tip of the leaves, there are multiple small plantlets. Okay, so now this one is having a lot of roots, but a very little sign of baby plant production. Now this one is having a big plant on the tip. This one is also having a root enclosed inside very small baby plant. So now this one is a good one because roots are on one side and plant is on other side. Now this one is also having a lot of roots and a very small plantlet. This is macro lens, so I am just focusing it out. Now you can see, now I am showing you all the leaves, okay, with this lens. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.